Ito yung mission na, wala ng uniform. 28 proud years of his life to the Philippine National Police. Ngayon, ang oras ay para sa pamilya. Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to see a lot of people now. Allow me first to acknowledge my command group, our Deputy Director for Operations, Colonel Adonis Guzman, which is I'm not related. Of course, our Chief of Staff, Colonel Joel Ada. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, but to the division chiefs, police commissioned officers, non-commissioned officers, and non-uniform personnel, and to our friends here, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Very emotional si Master Bangkolan, but understandably, yun ang pinakamabigat na, this is not goodbye, but isa sa mga pinakamabigat na pangyayari sa buhay mo bilang isang uniform personnel who have been serving a unit is yung umalis ka sa unit na yun. Even if hindi pa yan retirement, it's hard to leave people you've learned to love, you've been comfortable with, you see every day, you argue every day, you hate every day. At the end of the day, you miss all of them. You get used to the things that you do, that when the time comes to say goodbye, parang napakahirap. We've been to a lot of units, and every time, ganun ang feeling. Ano yan eh? Minsan nandun tayo sa denial. May setbacks tayo, di ba? May separation anxiety. But it's normal sa isang tao, regardless kung minahal mo o hindi, yung mga kasama mo. Sabi ko nga, even if you hate every day you see them, but you still miss them. You get used to the things that you do. Now we honor a colleague, a brother, maybe a father figure to most. Although I'm sad, ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon to get to know each other a little longer. Maybe during the time of General Sarmiento, Ma'am Lina Sarmiento, I was asking her to kuhanin niya ako, sasama sana ako sa kanya. Kung nakasumama pala ako sa kanya during that time, I could have known our honoree today. Siguro nagkasama na tayo kung nagkataong sumama ako kay Ma'am Lina dito sa PCR. But maybe God has other plans. So, hindi pa rin. Nagkaroon pa rin ng pagkakataon na makilala kita, even if for a very short time. So today, we honor not just an officer, not just a PNP officer, but a man who dedicated 28 proud years of his life to the Philippine National Police. Police Executive Master Sergeant Abdul Kair Bangkola. Isang pangalang hindi lang nakasulat sa personal files, kundi nakaukit sa kasaysayan at puso ng PICAG. 1997, pioneer recruit ng PCRG. 2006, naglingkod sa ProArm. 2007, bumalik sa opisinang minahal niya ang PCRG.